Hello, in this video I will tell you about the sales report of your website or orders. So here is the menu of RestroPress and click on RestroPress or dashboard. You see the all reports or all analytics of your orders and sales, orders, customers all shown here. Okay, first of all is total orders, customers, total refund price, total sales of your website, order receives, all the last order shown here. And if you want to see all the orders, click on see all. Here is the customers report, and here you see best selling product of your website. So this is the filter for your customizing the report. I want to see the custom range, so I will select the last month 3 Feb, and so 3 Feb to so on 24th March of 2025. Click on both dates and after that click on apply. So the range between 3 Feb to the 24th March. Here is the all details. Total sales of $15, customer is 3, total order was 5. So the price shows here is just the price was paid by the customer. You see here some of the orders have unpaid, so these unpaid orders prices was not shown in total sales. Okay, after that you want if you want to add some discount coupons or discount codes, so here is the option of discount codes. Click on this discount codes. Here you generate the discount coupon for your customers. Here is no discount coupons before, so we click on add new. So the we we add the new discount coupon. Here is the name of your discount coupon, discount for developer. Okay, so there is your code. You want to add the code, or you want the discount code or coupon here. uh, this is your choice. You want to add just numeric, or you want to add alphanumeric characters. Add on, there is the sum of example. 10% is your code. Okay, so I add the discount code. Here is 10. Okay, uh, 10 discount slice. Okay, this is your discount code or discount coupon. This code was provide to will provide to your customers for the discounts. Okay, here is the type of your discount coupon. You will choose as a percentage or a flat amount. If you choose the percentage, you just click the number as you shown, enter the discount percentage. 10 is equal to 10%, or if you I want 10% discount on your every product, so I just add here 10. And after that I will also select the food item requirements. If we want to add just one food item, so I will click here and I will show the system shows all the products, and you will select. You will if left blank, this discount can be used on any product. After this, excluded food items that this discount code cannot be applied to. After this, included categories, this option was used for categories that this discount code to be applied to. After this, the excluded categories option is that you use for categories that this discount code cannot to be applied to. Or after that, the start date of this code coupon and the expiration date of this code coupon. I will add this code coupon. Start date is this 24 March, and the expiration date of this code coupon was 25 or 26 6. Okay, after that the minimum amount option is this, the minimum dollar amount that must be in the cart before this discount can be used, leave blank for no minimum. Okay, after that the max uses of this code coupon, the maximum number of times this discount can be used, leave blank for unlimited uses. Okay, so I will add here for 50 customers to use this code coupons. After that, use once per customer option. This is the limit this discount to a single use per customer. If I will this click on this check, so the one customer use just for one this code coupon. Okay, then all the changes were applied and then click on add discount code. I just copy this code and go here, choose some options or some product, then apply this discount code. I will choose this cheesy garlic bread, select pickup and select pickup time. After that I will click on add to cart. After that I will click on checkout. Here you see have a discount code, click to enter it. I will paste the discount code here. After that click on apply. The coupon code 10 discount slice of the discount was applied on your order, and you see before coupon the subtotal is $11. After the coupon the total of your order is 9.90. So this is the procedure of the discount code you will use, or you will generate the codes for your customers. Thank you so much.